Somehow I get the feeling we're going to be doing a lot of walking today.
Mm-hmm.
What is that, a damn house right there or what? Well, hell, we can stay there tonight.
There's the tower. That was my picture. Where the fuck is the hole at?
I don't know. Hitting the canyon. It's basically 75 miles up here
The fucking...
to the Grand Canyon National Park.
Yeah,
Okay, I'm not, I did go up.
right. They didn't, like, it wasn't like the doctor said, oh, you're pre-diabetic, you
Yeah.
better, no, I'm not that high,
So,
you know. But
as long as it doesn't keep going up. I got a
Yes.
new doctor, so she was just signing everything out. Yeah.
I'm like, just don't drink a bottle of wine at night. Yeah, have a glass or two.
Well, came all the way to the Grand Canyon to do some filming for the channel. And we get to hear two women talk about their diabetes for 15 minutes. How long is this canyon? Because I bet we can take the motorcycles all the way around. Yeah. We're out here on the southern rim of the Grand Canyon. And I'm trying not to fall off this damn thing. Thought a donkey was coming up behind me with all that snorting. It was just a jackass. Come out here where the stupid people stand. Man, there ain't even a good tree to catch you if you fall off this thing. I don't know what they call these trees, but they ought to call them prick trees because it looks like they got nothing but little pricks on them. That laugh sounded like it was down in the canyon. Might be. Somebody might be lost down there. Done drove themselves crazy. Hope the day clears up a little bit so we can get a clear shot of the canyon.
Yeah, we're gonna do some rides and figure out where we're gonna go, and we'll head back today, but we're gonna go walk off and I think the trip that we missed on the way coming, so I'll have more stuff to post.
Well, this will definitely give us time to go up to Santa Fe and stuff. That little spoon we wanted to take.
You there with memes now? Where you at?
You talking to Mother?
No, I'm talking to Ivy.
Tell Ivy to tell Mama I said Happy Mother's Day.
David said tell him Happy Mother's Day.
Well, if the North Rim was open, it'd sure been worth it to try to get to there and see it too. But I guess we're.
Going to the North Rim, is it, you just said it's not open, or you just,
There was a woman with a Canyon shirt on earlier, and she said the North Rim was closed.
okay, good to know, because I'm going up to Vermilion Cliffs, okay.
What's up there, and how far is it?
Well, I mean, when I come through, I usually travel north on 89 and 89.
They probably out here too.
Oh yeah. Not just snakes either. Probably scorpions and whatnot. I gotta get Wyatt a rock. Wyatt collects rocks, so I told him I'd get him one from Grand Canyon. That looks like a piece of granite. I wonder if that's sage brush.